Welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest in automotive tech. Today, we're diving into the world of dash cams with built-in Wi-Fi, making it easier than ever to access your footage, adjust settings, and share those important moments. Get ready to see the convenience and power of wireless connectivity right at your fingertips. If you're all about smart and seamless car tech, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our future reviews and comparisons. We'll be showcasing some of the best Wi-Fi enabled dash cams out there, and all the links to check them out are waiting for you in the description below. Let's get connected. Number 5. Brand name, AZDOME, model number, GS63 Pro. AZDOME GS63 Pro Dash Cam records video of up to Ultra HD 4K plus FHD 1080 pixels resolutions. This car camera captures incredibly clear and detailed footage of your travels day and night, like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. GS63 Pro driving recorder could analyze the road condition by artificial intelligence and provide real-time warnings to the driver. GS63 Pro dashboard camera could accurately record route and driving speed information. GS63 Pro has a built-in dual-band Wi-Fi module, which can support 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz wireless signals. When used at close range, the 5.8 GHz band signal can make your mobile phone connect to GS63 Pro more quickly and stably. Number 4. Brand name, 70Mi, model number, M500. The 70Mi M500 Dash Cam is an excellent solution which meets all drivers' expectations. The M500 camera ensures outstanding image quality at a 1944 pixels resolution in HDR, with a voice control mode and the possibility to connect TPMST04 sensors. Equipped with built-in GPS, the dash cam monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. The M500 supports TPMS, ADAS, and voice control for effective safety risks prevention. The camera features a voice control mode option so that you can give your camera voice commands without taking your hands off the steering wheel. This option allows you to launch the process of taking a photo, start an emergency video, switch a Wi-Fi hotspot on and off, as well as turn a voice recording on and off. Equipped with the high dynamic range technology, the 70Mi Dash Cam M500 can capture details, including road signs and car plates under any lighting conditions. The HDR helps M500 to automatically adjust exposure under different lighting conditions, producing well-illuminated images wherever you go. Equipped with f2.0 aperture can greatly enhances night vision and obtain sharp, color-accurate images at day or night. The camera operates based on GPS and GLONASS satellites, which ensures higher data accuracy. Number 3. Brand name, AZDOME, model number, M17. The DVR equipped with f2.0 aperture and 6-glass lens, it can greatly enhances night vision and obtain sharp, color-accurate image. AZDOME M17 Dash Cam will lock emergency video in the event of a collision. The G sensor in AZDOME M17 will automatically save and lock the video in case of sudden impact or collision. Loop recording will also skip the emergency locked video. Features 150 degrees ultra-wide angle to reduce blind spots and obtain full 3 lanes coverage. Wide-angle lens allows for an extensive field of view. Wider perspective minimizes blind spots and increases the chances of capturing important details. Number 2. Brand name, REDTIGER, model number, F7NP. The REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam is packed with advanced features that make it stand out from other options on the market. With 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle views, it minimizes blind spots and provides evidence during collisions. The driving recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers and is equipped with HDR or WDR technology, captures important details clearly under low light conditions. The F7NP has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, and more. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac GPS player. Number 1. Brand name, LINGDU, model number, D500. LINGDU D500 Dash Cam is equipped with 0.96-inch screen. Without opening the phone, you can view the working status and time of the dashcam front according to the icon. Very convenient. The dashcam LINGDU D500 supports 4K Ultra HD recording with a high-quality front camera, capable of capturing more detailed images, including road signs and license plates. The 150 degrees wide-angle camera provides a wide field of vision, reducing blind spots. The LINGDU D500 Dash Cam has built-in Wi-Fi for convenient connection. The f1.8 wide aperture Sony IMX335 lens absorbs more light for excellent images at night.